Welcome to Sci Tech. In today's video, we will discuss about the formation of hail, a natural phenomenon of powerful storms. Hail is a fascinating and sometimes destructive weather phenomenon that occurs during intense thunderstorms. Unlike rain or snow, hail consists of solid balls or lumps of ice, known as hailstones, that can vary in size from small pellets to large, damaging chunks. But how exactly does hail form? The role of thunderstorms and updrafts. Hail formation begins within strong thunderstorm clouds, particularly cumulonimbus clouds, which are known for their towering, anvil-shaped appearance. These clouds can reach great altitudes where temperatures are well below freezing. A key component in hail formation is the presence of powerful updrafts, rising currents of air that are strong enough to suspend water droplets high in the storm cloud. Freezing and growth of ice pellets. As raindrops are lifted into the upper, colder regions of the cloud by these updrafts, the low temperatures cause the droplets to freeze, forming small ice pellets. These initial ice pellets can then be carried through the cloud multiple times by the continuous movement of updrafts and downdrafts. Each cycle adds more layers of supercooled water to the pellet, which freezes on contact and causes the hailstone to grow in size. The fall of hailstones. Eventually, the hailstones become too heavy for the updrafts to support. When this happens, they fall to the ground as hail. The size of the hailstones is largely determined by the strength of the updrafts. The stronger the updraft, the longer the hailstone can remain suspended and accumulate more layers of ice. When and where hail occurs. Hail is most commonly observed during spring and summer months, when the conditions for severe thunderstorms are ideal. It is more frequent in regions known as hail alleys, such as the central United States, where warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico meets colder air from the north, creating the perfect environment for powerful storms. Hail is a result of complex atmospheric interactions within strong thunderstorms. Understanding how hail forms helps meteorologists predict its occurrence and potential severity, which is vital for issuing warnings and minimizing damage. While often a spectacle of nature, hailstorms can pose serious risks to agriculture, property, and human safety, highlighting the need for continued study and preparedness. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in videos related to science, technology, artificial intelligence, and modern-day developments, please do subscribe our channel. Thanks.